Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a gorgeous kit that I created. This one is a blue kit and it's going to be the letter C because I created two previous blue kits. And if you're interested, please contact me on my messenger, my Instagram, or leave a comment down below and I'll contact you as soon as possible. So let's start and open up this gorgeous kit, and I cannot wait to share with you all the gorgeous pieces that are inside. They're mostly vintage items, and if I have some new items I will share those with you. So let me start up with this gorgeous doily first. I just love all the different shapes and colors, and of course you can coloring these doilies yourself as well with your beautiful avocado dyeing or natural paints that you have, and just basically use it for each and every project that you're working on right now. There will be 10 pieces included in this gorgeous kit, and they all have, as you see, different structures, different sizes, and just different materials. And these are all vintage pieces, and I just love how they look, and they're just perfect for junk journaling, but also to create beautiful pockets with, and fabric journals, whatever you like to create. Then for this gorgeous fabric bundle, I have one with a map of the world, and then a beautiful vintage piece there, and of course this one as well, vintage cotton, and this one on top. Such a beautiful set. Put that, and a gorgeous postcard as well, a vintage postcard. This one hasn't been written on yet, but it's from a washing powder company that released these years and years ago. So I just love this one. Super beautiful image. Then for the bag, I filled it up with beautiful yummies, and I'm hoping I can take some out and just show you just a little bit what's inside. So all different bits and pieces of buttons, fluffy pompons, beads, fabric flowers, paper flowers, resin pieces, just a beautiful selection of beautiful items that you can use perfect with this kit. Buttons, as I can see here, just a great selection of beautiful bluish, greenish selection of elements there. Then for these gorgeous crocheted flowers, these I found in a local store in Spain. So I just had to grab them as well, and I just love these beautiful elements. And if you are interested in purchasing more of these, just contact me as well, and I will let you know how you can get them as well. But thank you so much for supporting me, and just taking your time to take a look at the kits. And of course I hope you enjoy watching and maybe be inspired by all these beautiful goodies to create something beautiful for yourself. So as you can see, I have a lot of pieces there. This kit has like 10 beautiful vintage doilies and approximately 50 pieces of beautiful laces. Let me just start with the newer pieces, which is this one. Beautiful hand crocheted piece by my friend in Germany. As I said, unfortunately, she doesn't do this anymore. So I have some pieces left in my hoarding fold, which I will be sharing with you. And this one. This is also a beautiful piece here. This gorgeous Pom-Pom Trim. These two as well. And let me see here. This. These two are also the newer pieces. And this one. I'm not sure, maybe this might also be a vintage piece. Let me see here. Yes, these are some newer pieces, like so. And this one as well. As this one. Just loving this beautiful turquoise, beautiful color there. And then for the newer pieces again, I have these two, which are beautiful grayish, really, yeah, I just love this texture as well. You can see that it has like two tones here. So beautiful, love that as well. Then these are all the vintage trims that I left with, which is these three. Super cute. Love this beautiful pattern there. And then for some beautiful pieces there, this is approximately like an inch wide. This is a quarter of an inch then, if you compare it like so. Then we have these three beautiful dotted pieces, perfect to make flowers with, embellishments, for pockets. These two, like so. Then I have these three. Again, the pieces, some of them are like, I said 2 inches, but I meant 1 inch there. 1 inch, and this is like a quarter of an inch. So these as well. As you can see, you get quite a variety of different materials, structures there. And I just love that about these kits. You get such a great value for your money. And that's what we all love, because we all love crafting, but we also have to take a look at our budget, because we want to buy as many items as we can with our budget. So that's for that. And these are pretty pretty exclusive items, so you get quite a sharp price for this. And I am very lucky to be able to make these kits for you like this. These three. This one is also one of my favorites. And these two, as you can see, quite dainty and delicate pieces that are in the kit as well. And I cannot wait to hear what you think about the pieces. And of course, just if you're interested, let me know. And if you would love to have one for yourself, like in a different color, or if you have like specific things that you're looking for, please don't hesitate to contact me and to share your information so I can contact you and see what we can do together. I hope you love this beautiful blue kit, blue C as a letter, and I will see you all soon. Bye bye.